In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide home screen pages on your iPhone. As you can see, I got different screen pages, and let me show you how you can easily hide any of them. Just make sure you watch this video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started, and all you have to do in order to hide home screen pages is just hold down your finger at that dotted bar and then just tap on it one more time. It will show you all your home screen pages right here. First off, you may change the order of that pages simply by dragging them. And also, if you want to hide some page, all you have to do is just uncheck mark it and then hit add done. And what that will do, that will hide that page, including all app icons, but it will not remove that apps from your device. In any time, you will be able to unhide it in the same way. Hold down and then check mark. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial, hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.